The seasoning for the fried pork chop. You pick any seasoned salt that you like. My two favorite is the adobo or the Lawry seasoned salt. And then always there's onion powder, garlic powder, or granulated onion, or granulated garlic, and then of course black pepper. So whatever season you like. First we're going to make the base and we're going to put it onto a bowl so we'll have a good even spread. So for a pound pork chop, 2 tablespoons of Lawry seasoning, that's my favorite. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of granulated onion. And then garlic powder, depending on how much garlic you like. You know, your favorite 1.5 garlic. Your favorite seasoning. And if you don't like loud black pepper, you don't have to. But black pepper always brings out the spice. And then of course, I already love 1 pack of this. It's your preference on what spices you like. So mix it all up. Mix it all up well. And then we're going to use this to sprinkle onto our pork chop. If you have some time, it'd be good to marinate it, you know, for a few hours. And we just sprinkle generously onto your pork chop. Make sure you do both sides. So this is all I have left from the seasoning. So we're going to put this together with the potato starch. So this is gluten-free as well. You can roll in flour or in any starch that you like, but I find that potato starch right here, this is a Korean brand. Any Asian store would carry some type of potato starch. So let's start with 1 cup of potato starch for a coating. You don't want to waste any extra flour if you don't have to. So only take out what you need. And we'll add a little more onion and garlic powder into a flour mixture. It just gives it better, more flavor, more season. So you can put as much or as little that you like. A little bit more pepper. So you want to whisk all your spices into with your flour or starch, potato starch, if you want to keep it gluten-free. And this is after it's been marinating for about half an hour. So you can do it right away, but if you let it marinate, the flavor will seep through better. So pork's been marinated. There's about 6 pork chop to this recipe. And our flour. This is the potato starch. And your oil. Okay, shake off any excess potato starch. And you want to make sure that your oil is not too high. Do it at medium. See if I can put 2 in here. Now I'm going to cover this so it will cook better. And you just time it. Let's do around 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to flip it now. Look at that, looking so good. Let's cover for another 5 minutes. And we're cooking right here at medium heat. Okay, we're going to take the cover off. This is another 5 minutes. So total 10 minutes already. So only a few more minutes. Now I'm going to flip it one more time. And I'm going to let it cook without the cover so it'll be crispy. So it'll be another 3 minutes. This should be done. Total about 13 minutes. You don't want to overcook your pork chop. It'll be dry. So 3 more minutes, uncover, and we can taste the pork chop. Okay, 3 minutes as it's up. Let's take this one out. Look at how this looks. Look at this pork chop. Looks so good. Let's drain this. So this one is pretty big, so I'm gonna have to only fry it by itself. So this is gluten-free. So if you don't want to do totally a starch, but the potato starch will give you the crispiest, the crunchiest. Using potato starch will give you the crunchiest finish. But you can add flour in here as well. Flour ratio, I think 50-50, like half cup flour, half cup starch will give you a nice, nice soft and crispy same time. Okay, shake off any excess. And we'll cover this. 5 minutes up. Let's uncover. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're going to cover that up. And another 5 minutes, be done. 5 minutes up. Let's check. Okay, looks good. I'm just going to flip it one more time. Okay, we're going to let it cook, uncover. Wow, look at this pork chop, guys. Let's taste. Ooh, can you hear the crispiness? Yeah, perfectly cooked. Let's taste. Juicy, savory, just the right amount of spices. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.